is Jasmine, aka Black Girl Absolute, and for today's Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to do an umber wash. So first things first, what is an umber wash? An umber wash is a classical painting technique designed to give you a layer of pigment to continue building your painting upon. But it is also a method of double-checking your work before committing to a painting. It's often difficult to think of your sketch with highlights and shadows like it will look like once it's fully painted. An umber wash works as a bridge, and from there you can make necessary adjustments now that you have an idea of what the finished painting will look like. Luckily for us, doing an umber wash is incredibly easy. You want to grab a tube of umber paint, either burnt or raw umber is fine. From there you want to establish your base shade. Like when you're actually working on your painting, you'll want to establish a main shade that will inform what your highlights and shadows will look like. From there, you'll add more water to get your highlight 1 and 2 shades, and then you'll use less water to get your shadow 1 and shadow 2 shades. Again, for places you want to highlight, like on the forehead or the nose, you'll want to use more water in order to water down the shade. And then for areas where you want shadows, like underneath the neck or the cheekbones, you'll want to add less water or increase the amount of paint you're using. The most important thing to remember for the umber wash is that it is simply a guide to help you visualize your final painting. Don't worry about getting it quote-unquote perfect. As long as it helps you visualize your final piece and make any adjustments you need, it is perfect as it is. Thank you again for watching, and remember, as always, you are enough. Catch you later.